morning. I am Fruity working in RPIIT campus. Today we will discuss about female gynecoid pelvis. Pelvis क्या है? Area of the body located between the hip bones below the abdomen, and it contains vagina in females, ovaries, fallopian tubes, and in males it contains seminal vesicles and prostate. First we will discuss about its bone. Pelvis contains two innominate bones. This is two innominate bones. One sacrum, 5 vertebrae fuse together to form sacrum, and one coccyx. This is coccyx. Now we will shift towards its joint. Sacroiliac joint between sacrum and ilium. Sacroiliac joint and between sacrococcygeal joint between sacrum and coccyx, and symphysis pubis between pubic joint. This is all about its joint. I hope you get it. Thank you.